Windows 11 Android Subsystem now lets you assign memory to mobile apps. Microsoft has recently released an update to Windows Subsystem for Android WSA for Windows 11. This update, named the May 2023 update, brings many new features and bug fixes. One of the most significant changes is the ability to assign memory to Android, enabling them to customize how much memory is allocated to mobile apps. Moreover, the new update also includes package verification for apps on WSA, which scans Android apps using antivirus software installed on Windows before app installation. This helps to ensure the safety and security of the installed app. Another new feature is the Android AppLink support, which launches Android apps when a user opens a supported app link from any app. The latest update includes performance and reliability improvements to WSA and an update to the Linux kernel version 2.5.15.94 as ported by us. Here the official changelog, which was posted a couple of days ago on. Package verification for apps on WSA. Android apps are scanned using antivirus software installed on the Windows prior to app installation. Ability for user to configure how much memory to assign to Android. Android apps will be launched when a user opens the supported app link from any app. Android app link support. Linux kernel updated to 5.15.94. WSA reliability and performance improvements. The version number for the update is 2304.4.0000.3.0. WSA is a better and more feature coming soon. Microsoft has big plans for WSA and the company has confirmed adding more new features in the coming months. For example, you can accept an update that will allow file transfer to Android, enabling the quick transfer of files between File Explorer and Android apps. Another update will bring back support for shortcuts for easier access on Windows. WSA has been around for over a year and is the foundation for downloading mobile apps through the Amazon App Store. Thanks to ADB support and third-party apps like WSA tools, you can sideload Android apps and app bundles. In addition to these updates, Microsoft is working on bringing hundreds and thousands of Android apps to Windows Store via Amazon Store. The previous update adding picture-in-pictures, which allows to open Android apps in a small window on top of native apps. With the new update and Microsoft continue investment in WSA, it is clear that the company is committed to making it easier for users to access and use Android apps on Windows 11. It is worth nothing that you need to ensure that your device meets certain requirements to use WSA. Microsoft recommends a minimum of 8 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM for optimal experience. Additional, you should have a solid-state drive SSD for storage. Regarding the processor, Intel Core i3 8th generation or above, AMD Ryzen 3000 or above, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8C or above are in the minimum recommended requirements.